So I continue because it is the vertical projection of the factor، لأنه تعتبر عبارة عن المسقط العمودي على المتجه. فهنا لو أخذنا المتجه A والمتجه B، فالمسقط العمودي راح يعطي A كوساين، والمسقط العمودي من البي يعطي B كوساين، لأنه هذه الزاوية تكون قائمة وهذا يكون الوتر، فبالتالي A وهذا B وهذه كوساين هي عبارة عن المجاور بالنسبة للزاوية، مجاور على الوتر بالنسبة لهذا المثلث، فتعتبر ال A كوساين هنا بدلالة هذه الزاوية فهي عبارة عن الضلع وهو المجاور. أما بالنسبة للمسقط على البي فراح تعطينا بأنه بدلالة هذه الزاوية فراح تعطينا أنه البي هي عبارة عن المجاور على الوتر، فبالتالي هو عبارة عن المسقط العمودي. إذن بالنسبة للدوت فاكتورز هي عبارة عن سكالا وتساوي المتجه الأول دوت المتجه الثاني كوساين سيتا. طيب إذا كانوا عمودين، يعني المتجه if A factor perpendicular to B factor, what is the result? Think about it and we can answer it later on after I finish the next, another type. It is a factor or cross product. The cross product, if I have two factors A and B with cross product, the new factor, the new of this multiplication is a new factor, but I must be respected the angle, the direction of the new factor. For example, the magnetic field, the force of the magnetic field, it's equal to Q, or absolute of Q, charge, multiplication of V, the velocity of the charge, cross P, the magnetic field. So F is equal to Q, F the velocity, cross, now I use the cross, P with sign, and you can find it by using the right hand method. تستخدم ويمكن إيجادها باستخدام قاعدة اليد اليمنى. So cross A factor cross B factor, it's equal to the magnitude of A multiply magnitude of B sine theta, the angle between A and B. N is the unit factor, that means the direction of the new factors. So here I answer this question. A cross B is equal to the magnitude of A dot B cosine theta. If A perpendicular to B, so that means it's equal to 0. Why? Because cosine 90 degree is equal to 0, so anything multiplied by 0 it's equal to 0. Example 1, a factor A have a magnitude of 10 units and factor B have a magnitude of 6 units with an angle between them are 60 degree. Find A dot B to A cross B. So how you can find it? Easy, it's direct. Just only use the methods of a factor dot p, it's equal to the magnitude of a multiply dot p, the magnitude of p cosine the theta. A cross p factor is equal to magnitude of a magnitude of p sine theta. So theta is given, the magnitude of each factor it will be there. So check it. First one, a dot p, it's equal to 30 units. A cross p, it's equal to 52 units. Example 2, prove that for any factor a, that is a dot a is equal to a squared, a cross a is equal to 0. So try to solve it by using these formulas. I wait for you 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, so from the definition or from the example, so a dot a, it's equal to a squared, not 0. So that means from the definition it equal to 0 when it is perpendicular. So it's here, it's not perpendicular, so it is parallel to each other. إذا ليس متعامد. إذا كان متعامد إذا تساوي صفر، فهو لا يساوي صفر، هو يساوي تربيع. إذا فهذا يعني بأنه متوازي. Okay, so I applied my equation. So A parallel to A, so that means the angle between them, it is 0, cosine 0, it's equal to 1. So A multiply A, so it's equal to a squared, cosine 0 is 1, 1, it is the same, so it is a squared. So that is the proof for the first. The second, cross equal to 0, so that means the sign is 0, so that means it is parallel to each other, so anything multiplied by 0 it's equal to 0. Now I move to the homework, and I hope you try to solve the homework. So number 1, a football player kicks the ball with a force of F, and it's in I hat, J hat, K hat. The ball moves through a distance of, also in 3 dimension, 2 I hat plus 4 J hat plus 6 K hat. Find the work done, that is the formula of the work by the player. So that means dot factor from of F dot D. That is direct, you can just only use the dot factors, so that means the magnitude of F 1, 2, 3, so, and also D 1, 2, 3. So make the product of f and d and find the final result, and we can discuss about it next lecture. Use the component method to find the magnitude and the direction of the resultant factor. So that is the resultant factor, a factor plus b minus 2c. If a 20 meter and angle 30, so that means a factor is equal to 20 meter at 30 degree. Number B, 50 meters at 120 degree. C, 70 meters at 230 degree. So find the resultant factors, and so R is equal to A plus B minus, so the important thing in this question is for C, and we check it next lecture inshallah. I try to upload for you some practice problem. I hope you are fine, and that's for today. Thanks a lot and see you.